actually the original tuner we replaced it with the compatible tuner one, but the compatible tuner there is no tuner no memory chip inside. So today we will replace the memory chip from old tuner to new one. This is our compatible tuner. Okay, here's no memory chip, and this is our old memory chip. We will put it inside. We have to make sure that the direction of the memory chip. First of all, we will cut a little this plastic from inside. We will remove this plastic because this memory chip is unable to go inside. So we will remove this plastic from inside. Stay with me. With the help of long nose player, we will remove this. Okay, remove this plastic. Now I will insert this memory chip inside. Okay, viewers, we pushed it inside. Now we will check the printer is working or not. This new model HP M404n is complicated. Let's see, is it working or there is a same error? If there is a same error, we will turn this chip. Okay, replace the indicated cartridge. Okay, it's showing replace the indicated cartridge. We'll turn it off. We'll turn it on again. Also, we will check in the computer. Before while I started upgrade the firmware, we will see the status of the printer from here. Printer initializing. Replace the indicated cartridge. We replaced it. I think we will turn the memory card direction again. We'll see. Okay guys, it's showing still the replace the indicated cartridges. I think this memory chip is full, and we must have to replace the memory chip with the new one. So there is no way unless we have to change this memory chip. You can buy it online from there are many websites, eBay, Amazon, AliExpress. This memory chip must be replaced. But the way I mentioned earlier, you can buy the tuner from the local market, and this chip you have to order it online, or try to buy the memory chip from the same shop you buy the tuner. Okay guys, if there is any other option to update the firmware through or any other way, I will let you know. So till now, just try to find out the memory chip. Take care guys. And one thing more I will tell you, before you remove the chip, make sure that be careful, don't break this chip inside. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments.